Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I'm just wanted to talk to you about a few problems that people are having with the Windows 10 upgrade. They've been sending me messages about that they getting some type of error when they are upgrading, and most of the people that have sent me the message out are the people that has Windows 8.1 Media Center. The problem is that Microsoft stopped Windows Media Center OS a long time ago, probably like 7 years ago. And the thing is that now Windows 10 does not recognize that Windows 8.1 Media Center is actual upgradable software. It's actually telling people that you have to do like a whole new install. So if you're planning to do that, don't do it because you're not gonna get the free upgrade. You actually have to buy a license. So a few things you can do is actually try to reach out to Microsoft, see what they can do for you about that upgrade. If they actually can give you a license, that then you can actually do the whole swap and erase the whole system and do a brand new Windows 10 installation. Or you might have to wait for them to update their upgrade tool so you can actually do it online. Another question that I've been having is why my Windows 10 is taking a long time to upgrade. I've been here for an hour. I've been here 2 hours and is still on the downloading process. A few things can be that if you are doing it in a laptop and you are doing it through Wi-Fi, probably your laptop, if it's a Windows 7 laptop, your Wi-Fi is kind of like a BG type of Wi-Fi, so it's kind of a slow Wi-Fi. It's not going to transfer, it's not going to download faster. So I recommend all of you to actually plug it to the internet through a LAN cable directly to your router, and that makes that is going to make your download faster, and that will actually make your upgrades faster. The other thing is that if you have a really old system and it's taking a long time, maybe your system will not handle the Windows 10 as it is, because Windows 10 is made for newer systems, newer PCs. And if you have a really old system, let's say a 7-year-old Windows 7 PC that came out with the first ones that came out with Windows 7, that's going to be an issue. So another thing that I want to talk to you is there's a few files that are downloaded to your system once you are doing the upgrade, and it's going to take around probably 10 gigs of your space or even more, depending on how much stuff you had on your computer before the upgrade. So I'm going to show you how to delete those files that are not required to be on your computer and save that space so you can actually use it for more stuff on your computer. So now let's just jump into the computer and I'm going to show you what they are. Now we're in the computer, and guys, if you haven't seen that video about how to upgrade your Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10 for free, you can actually hit that card on the top right hand corner and go straight and watch that video. Now I'm going to show you how to delete some files and folders that are downloaded through your computer when you're doing the upgrade. Those files are not required to stay on your computer once you finish the upgrade. And there are a few folders, and you want to delete those folders. But there's one folder that you might want to think if you actually need that folder or not, depending on your requirements on the system. So let's go directly to your folders. You open your folders. You go into this PC, and you're going to see that now, for example, I had 25 gigs available of space when I was doing the upgrade on Windows 7. Now I only have 13.3 of a 40 gig that I'm using for this example. If we go to the C drive, you're going to see that there's a few folders that are there that will not be there when you had the Windows 7. The first one is this ESD. This ESD is actually the Windows 10 image that got downloaded from the internet while you were doing the upgrade. This folder is not required to stay in the computer, as it's going to take a lot of space. You see it says Windows and you see it has the setup and all the stuff that are normally on a Windows 10 installation system file. And so we can delete this one. The other one that gets downloaded is this init.pop folder. And if you don't run any of those web servers like SAMP or WAMP that actually require some type of files specifically for a web server, you actually can delete this folder also. But if you run any of those applications, you might want to check before you actually delete them. This is just an extra folder that gets downloaded and installed, and it's kind of just to make a connection through the Microsoft servers. The other one is this Windows old folder. This Windows old folder is actually a backup of your Windows 7 system. If you go into this Windows old, you're going to see the program files, and if you go to the users, you're going to see that the Windows 7 folder here is the user that I had on that computer when I did the upgrade. And if you go here, you're going to see that there's a few things that actually do not have anything because it's a Windows old kind of system. So it really do not need to save this in the computer because you already have everything on it after doing the upgrade. So these 3 folders can be deleted, and it's going to save you a lot of space on your computer because you don't need them. So the way you can do this is if you go and select those 3 folders by holding the control key down on your keyboard. You select that one, you select the init.pop, and you select the Windows old, and you just have to either right click and delete, or just hit the delete key on the keyboard. And once you delete them, you're gonna see how much space is taking. This is how much space is taken on the computer. 11.4 gigs it was taking on this hard drive. I want to permanently delete it because it's a bigger file. So if you have files that are bigger than 2 gigs, usually Windows will require to just permanently delete them. It's not going to put it in your recycle bin, as it's going to take the same space either you delete them or not, because it's going to stay in your recycle bin in case you want to recover them. So we hit yes. We start deleting those files. And now, once these files get deleted, we're going to see all the space that we actually save, and we're getting back into your C drive for more storage or other apps that you're going to install that are going to take a little bit of space. We hit yes because we want to permanently delete those. Yes. Actually, you can hit it. Do this to current all files because the ones that you deleting are safe to be deleted. As you see, we got rid of them. We go back to our PC. Now we have back 24.8 free space of gigs. So we save all the space. Another thing that you might want to do is right click in the C drive, go to properties, this cleanup, and you're going to see here there's a bunch of things that you can be deleted. So if you're doing a clean installation upgrade, you can actually check mark everything here, and because there's going to be some temporary files most likely that are put on your system that are not needed there for after the upgrade, so you can just check mark them, just hit OK, delete these files, and that's going to save just another extra little bit of space, probably almost to a gig of space, depending on how much files you got on your temporary files. And guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, just don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notified when I do uploads on the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Also, you can follow me on my social media feeds, where I put more information about unboxings, reviews, other tutorials and guides that I'm going to be posting up in my YouTube channel. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.